Hello, we are Team 1. This week, we will analyze the entire construction process of the Fairmont Raffles Hotel project based on the briefing documents provided by the Emmy Tenders platform. Here are the basic details of the project. The project tender owner is Katara Hospitality, referred to as the client in the documents. The trade categories are listed as prestige buildings and leisure entertainment hotels. The project is located in the Lusail Marina District, Qatar. The estimated budget for this project is $500 million. The post-closing date for the tender was October 30th, 2013, with a closing date for construction set for July 30th, 2022. To aid in a step-by-step understanding of the entire construction process, we have researched the construction package. What does construction package mean? Construction package represents a series of contracts used to divide and execute a construction project in stages. Each construction package typically denotes a specific scope of work or construction phase, with the numbers indicating a particular sequence or priority within the project. Low-numbered packages often correspond to the project's initial stages, while higher-numbered packages typically relate to later stages of the project. Therefore, the early stage of the construction package involves tasks like encompassing foundational work, site preparation, and basic construction activities. Next stage of packages would typically handle more detailed and specialized tasks such as interior finishing, facility installations, design, and finalization work. We will now introduce the stages of each construction package and closely examine how they are connected with the construction process. As for the Katara Towers, a total of 4 construction packages made up the entire project. The first package was about designing the master plan, the infrastructure, and the components of Phase 1. Phase 1 most likely refers to packages 1 and 2. The contractor for this package was Atkins, who worked in the project as a design and management consultant. The second package was about the substructure and basement works. This package was responsible for the construction of 2 basement floors and 1 ground floor. There were several factors that made up the package. The PT elements, otherwise known as the post-tension slabs, or pre-stressed concrete slabs, were used in the foundation construction. There were also steel structure connections, testing, inspection, and completion of the substructure concrete works. Lastly, there was the MEP first fix consisting of conduits, pull wire, back boxes, sleeves, puddle flanges, lightning protection system core. The main contractor for the second package was HBK Contracting Company, who made the contract at $53 million. AI Habitor Leighton Group also played a role in the package, taking charge of foundation, enabling, and pilling. Foundation is the concrete structure built underground as the basis for the entire building. Enabling is the prerequisite for the rest of the construction process, including maintenance of the construction site, setting up temporary structures, establishing storage space, and protecting the surrounding area. Pilling is driving metal beams or concrete pillars into the ground to support the rest of the structure. The third package was about the superstructure facade of 36 floors and MEP works. This package is arguably the most important, and so when looking for a contractor, they were very rigorous and thorough. This package included building the 36-story crosswards design and MEP first fix for the back and front of the house. Keep in mind that MEP first fix for the lower floors have already been done. By the second package, the third package is responsible for the higher levels. The main contractor is yet again HBK Contracting Company. It is important to note that they won contracts for both the second and third package. Also, Conspel Qatar was put in charge of MEP works, while Doka was put in charge of formwork and scaffolding. Doka utilized the patented technology of SKE-50 for constructing high-rise building structures. SKE-50 is a technology known for its effectiveness in reducing the construction period, with real-world applications showing that complex stories 1 to 15 were completed in a 14-day cycle, and stories 15 to 36 in 8 days. The fourth package was about the interior fit-out and finishing. This includes MEP second and third fixes for the back and front of the house, the kitchens, and the laundry rooms. There was also the interior fit-out for rooms and public areas, as well as floor and ceiling fit-outs and painting works. There were 5 contractors involved in this package. The first is Katara, who was in charge of MEP works. The other 4 companies, Minmac Contracting, Immer Trading Contracting Company, Living in Interiors, Group 4 Wooden Industries, were all contracted for fit-outs. Though this marks the end of the 4 construction packages, there were other contracts involved. Not quite in construction, but with management. The French hospitality group, Accor, was offered to have a twofold hotel management with Katara Hospitality, effectively letting the 2 companies work together in managing the hotel. As you can see, the hotel is managed under 2 brands, Fairmont on the left and Raffles on the right, indicating a dual management approach for the hotel. Lastly, I'll briefly show you the overall construction process timeline. On November 12, 2013, the Habitat Leighton Group was awarded a contract to carry out piling works, marking the first recorded construction company involved with the project. Additionally, it was anticipated that tenders for construction works would be floated around mid-2014. By December 1, 2014, tender for package number 2 was issued, signaling the start of the bidding process. On June 16, 2015, HBK Contracting Company was awarded package number 2. From June 16, 2015 to December 9, 2015, the period was dedicated to design works. Between May 1, 2016 and June 5, 2017, substructural works, piling works, and basement level structural works were underway. On August 24, 2017, Katara Hospitality, the client, announced a tender for package number 3. By June 10, 2018, HBK Contracting Company had been awarded package number 3. July 11, 2018, marked the beginning of the construction for Phase 2, which includes packages 3 and 4. On October 3, 2018, Conspel Qatar was awarded the MEP works for package number 3. Structural works progressed from March 6, 2019 to December 19, 2020. MEP interior finishing and fit-out works were in progress from April 7, 2020 to September 28, 2021. Finally, on July 30, 2022, construction on this scheme was completed. This timeline gave us a comprehensive view of the project from its initial stages through the completion. Based on the timeline and our construction package studies, we have refined our future study plan. In weeks 1 and 2, we explored the background, the definition of construction packages, their content in this project, and the responsible companies. In week 3, we'll study earthwork, focusing on the nature of Qatar Tower's land, the earthwork process, and key issues. In week 4, we'll study temporary construction aspects like tower cranes, ring lock scaffolding systems, and safety facade scaffolding systems. In week 5, we'll analyze Katara Tower's BIM modeling. In week 6, we'll study on concrete construction, especially rapid cycles with Doka climbing systems, and the climbing formwork 150th. In week 7, we aim to analyze the curved structure of Katara Tower and address our questions regarding concrete crushing. In week 8, we'll study MEP and BMS about Katara, And in week 9, we will concentrate on finishing and furniture work, including wall and ceiling system, heat and noise insulation solutions. In week 10, we'll study the interior aspects like capacity and revenue in addition to Katara's eco-friendly system. Finally, week 11, we will conclude our study with analysis of glasswork and ventilation system. This has been Team 1, and thank you for listening.